Welcome back to another tutorial from techie.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cut and trim clips on your timeline within the Kdenlive video editor app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Kdenlive on your device, and you may open up any of your old projects or create a new one. Here I have a blank project where I have imported a video file. Now I can drag and drop this video onto the timeline, and now I can check the preview within the preview section. Now, if at some point I need to cut the clip, then I will first need to use the scissor icon. This is also the razor tool, and the shortcut is pressing the button X. Once the X button is pressed, a red bar will appear, and you can cut wherever you click on with the red bar placed. As soon as you click on it, the video will be split into two different parts. You can now go back into the select tool, and as you can see, the video has been split into two different parts. If you need to add another clip into this part, you can simply drag and drop and then close the gap. You can chop the video and split it at multiple points within your video, and from each of these split points as well, you can reduce or extend the clip. If there is a space between two cuts, then you can simply right click on this and then click on remove space. You can also remove space between multiple points by choosing remove space in all tracks. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to cut and split your clips on the Kdenlive video editor. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.